So I've got spaghetti, I've got chicken, I've got ham, I've got cream, I've got garlic. This is absolutely delicious, really, really simple as well. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Let's get on with this one. All right, let's have a look at this one. Very, very simple. So let's start at the back here, cream. Now, I've got 250 ml of cream there. I'm using a thick cream. You can use thin or thick. It will be exactly the same. It doesn't matter what cream you use. Peas, these were frozen. I just washed them in a little bit of water. Onion chopped small. Ham, if you want, you could use bacon. And I've got some chicken here that I've already cooked really simply. I didn't want to waste my time showing you how to do it, but I just grilled it, just a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. That's it, either side. So that's chicken breast with no skin and no bone. Tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of oregano. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. Now get your pasta ready. I'm using spaghetti today, but yeah, get it ready because we're really going to concentrate on this sauce. Let's go. Okay, so I've got my pan here, got some olive oil in there, just heating that up now on an above medium heat. We're going to drop in that little bit of onion, not going crazy with the amount of onion today, and then we're going to drop in our garlic, tablespoon of garlic, chopped. We're going to add some salt. We're going to add that little bit of oregano. Now, if you want, change that and maybe use something else like a tarragon, dried basil, one of those kind of Italian mixed herb things. That's up to you. This really is going to be super easy, super fast, and super, super tasty. Be back in about 2 minutes. Okay, time to drop our chicken in. And like I say, my chicken is cooked already. If you want to use raw chicken now, you can. Cut it about this size. And then you'll be cooking it a lot longer. You'll be cooking it for about 5 minutes by itself with the onions and the garlic. But because we've got some nice cooked chicken here, we're now going to go in with our peas. Like I say, these were just a frozen pea. Just wash them. You can use canned ones if you want. I think frozen would be a bit better, a little bit better there. And then our ham. Some black pepper. We're going to stay on this lively heat for about another 3 or 4 minutes, moving it all the time. And there's only one more step after that. How simple is this? Keep it moving. Really, really good. Okay, let's get that 250 ml of cream. And like I say, thick or thin, it's not going to make any difference to you. Stay on this heat. 90 seconds to 2 minutes only. Vigorously moving it around. Then I'll be back. Beautiful, what a wonderful sauce. Now, if you like, a bit of Parmesan cheese in there. I'm staying away from that today. I am now going to drop in my spaghetti. This is actually a number 2 spaghetti. They come in different sizes, meaning this is really thin. Like number 1 is called angel hair, I think, which is really, really thin. Listen, we're going to throw this around for 3 minutes on this heat. I see you on the table. This is going to be absolutely delicious. Okay, and there you go. A little bit of chopped parsley on the top, but that is super easy, super, super tasty. I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.